Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you another way to make money. This website is called Survey Junkie. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you another way to make money. This website is called Survey Junkie. You basically just take surveys and you get money, and you can actually get it pretty quick. Each one of these points, like 1 point is worth 1 cent, and as you can see, like you can get like a whole $1 just for like doing like a 13-minute survey. And so I've gotten 1,014 points, which is $10.14, and I just started doing this like 3 days ago. And just to prove it to you and show that this is real, I'm gonna redeem my first time. I'm gonna cash out for the first time, and I'm gonna record it. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna hit redeem now. So as you can see, I got 1,014 points, which is $10.14. So I'm gonna redeem it right now. Let's see if it works. Confirm. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. I don't know how many days it's... Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know how many days it's been, but it's the 18th today, and look, we actually got the money. It came through 4 days ago, and I've been busy. That's why I didn't make an update 4 days ago. But yeah, I got $10.14 just from taking surveys on the Survey Junkie website, and you can see Survey Junkie right here. Alright, yeah, so I'm back on the Survey Junkie website, and it's I've only done like a few surveys, and I've already got $4.36, so I'm already about to be able to cash out for another $10. So yeah, you guys really should click the link in the description. I'm not even like advertising this or like sponsor or anything, because you know this is a small channel, so how would I? But I'm just trying to find more ways for you guys to make money, so I'm just sharing like my knowledge and experience and just ways to make money. So yeah, this is one way. If you have an internet connection and a smartphone or a computer like I'm on, which you guys obviously do because you're watching this video, then you can just click the link in the description, go make an account, and they already start you off with a few points. I forgot how many it is. They give you some points just for signing up, and if you fill out your profile thing over here, then you can get even more. So yeah, there's proof. You guys saw it. You guys saw it here. That you do actually get your money. It just takes a few days. So yeah, get down there and go make that money. She like, I heard all your stay where you stay. House so big I haven't seen them boys in 2 days. See, look, I just got another $1.10 just right now, just now. See, look. I use a walkie-talkie just to get a beverage. I saw my parents split up right after.